Hi everyone, myself Krishnapal Devda. I am from Sirui, Rajasthan. Currently, I am pursuing integrated MTech in Mathematics and Computing at IIT Dhanbad. I am going to talk about my Microsoft Teams clone project that I made under Microsoft Engage Mentorship Program 2021 this year. So let's get started. I have deployed my website on Heroku, so here it is. Because it is a clone of Microsoft Teams, that's why I have named it as TeamUp app. TeamUp is powered by WebRTC, real-time video call, chat room, and screen sharing, which is entirely browser-based. WebRTC stands for Web Real-Time Communications. It is a very exciting, powerful, and highly disruptive, cutting-edge technology and streaming protocol. WebRTC is HTML5 compatible, and you can use it to add real-time media communications directly between browser and devices. One of the best parts, you can do that without the need of any prerequisite of plugins to be installed in the browser. Thanks to WebRTC video streaming technology, you can embed the real-time video directly into your browser-based solution to create an engaging and interactive streaming experience for your audience without worrying about the delay. I had used mainly 3 JavaScript APIs in WebRTC. These are, the first one is Media Stream or Get User Media. This interface requires a device media stream that can include audio and video tracks. The media devices.get username media method retrieves a media stream. For instance, it can be used to access the web camera. Second is RTC peer connection. It allows the communication between peers. Streams accessed by media devices.get username media are added to this component, which also handles the SDP offer and answer messages exchanged between peers and ICE candidates. Third one is RTC data channel. It enables real-time communication of arbitrary data as direct communication between browsers improves performance so that API can be used for some interesting applications and encrypted file sharing. I had used Express as Node framework, Socket.io as JavaScript library for real-time communication between the clients and the server. While Socket.io is a library to work with WebSockets, it supports some extra features like broadcasting. The server.js file will run the application on port 3000 and handle the WebSockets messages that will be used for signaling. That's how peers will exchange their media information. So let's have a quick walkthrough through the TeamUp website. So here is the front page, which is having 2 buttons: Start an Instant Meeting and Join Chat Room. So if we click on Start an Instant Meeting, it is asking us to enter a room name. We can choose the default room name as well. Let's click on Join Room. We can share our meeting link with others as well using this thing. So this is the meeting sharing link. We can share it with others as well. Other participants will also join using this same. In this way, we can add many more participants as well. Now let's focus on the features. Video on and off feature, which is initializing. If we off the video, then it is initializing with our name. Then we have screen sharing option, screen recording option, full screen mode. Next is chatting with other participants using emojis and text. We can also private message a particular participant using this, through which only that participant on which the message is directed will get the message. We can also raise our hand in a class or meeting. Then there is a whiteboard which teachers can use to teach their students. And eraser, saving option, and clean the board option are also there. Let's close it. Next we have file sharing option. We can share file. Next we have settings. We can change our name. And here the name is changed. Mute everyone, hide everyone options are there. Theme change option is also there. Okay, so let's see. About section. Then this thing is our leave the room. One more thing I want to address before leaving the room. We can also kick out some participant. If we have 2 or more participants, then there is also a feature of kicking it out. Let's leave this room. If we again go on the home page, then as we were having 2 options. One is start an instant meeting and second is join the chat room. Let's see what happens if we join the chat room. This link is being forwarded to a TeamUp Chat 95 hosted website. So this website is actually created by me using React and Chat Engine. We can actually enter the chat room and we can chat with other participants because it is supported by Firebase login system. That's why all the meeting conversations and everything will be recorded. We can see here are different rules that are created. The people that are invited also joined, and the status is also showing like green status for me because I joined the chat, and red status for the other person who wants to join the chat. We can invite other people to this chat by typing in their email ID here. Next thing, we can also remove some participant. Then we can create more chat rooms like this. We can not only we can chat, but we can also send photos like this using this option. We can share PNG or JPG images. Then we have this thing. Now, if we want to join some meeting now after entering the chat room, then there is an option of joining the meeting. It will again redirect to us to the TeamUp call. We can join the room here and we can start the video call. These chat conversations which are in this chat room will always remain saved because it is linked to our email ID. These are unique, and also these are supported by Chat Engine. Next, we have our creating a room. We can log out it at any time. So this is all about the working of this website, which is partly hosted on Heroku, and chat room is hosted on Netlify because it is created using React, and it is very much easier to host React apps on Netlify. TeamUp Chat is based on routing, Firebase, Google Login, React Context API, Chat Engine, REST APIs, environment variables, and much more. Here I have built a full-fledged Firebase chat application with social authentication using Google Firebase, online statuses, great design and functionality, image support, sound notifications, the ability to create multiple rooms, and much more. This TeamUp Chat Room uses ChatEngine.io at its backend. In this project, I worked on Agile Scrum methodology, in which I had evenly divided my work throughout the 4 weeks duration, in which I completed my 4 weeks with complete enthusiasm. And in the first week, I researched about the different topics, discussed with my mentors, and learned how to approach my problem. Then, in the second week, I worked on the front end part, and in the third week, I worked on the back end part, and in the fourth week, I actually implemented the adapt feature. I will be discussing each and every feature of my TeamUp chat application and TeamUp video call application in complete depth and complete detail in the presentation that I will be attaching with the submission phase. And I will also be writing in description the complete documentation of my project in the README section of the GitHub source code that will be uploaded.